blocks and a countless number of deterrents to the paint.
Off the screen, heel pumps it through.
Oh, that. Are they training these niggas to be the next Steph motherfucking Curry, nigga?
Centering pass here to Melton. Melton out of USC off the high screen, rolling his Looney, swatting it away.
Looney, you're a fucking ass, bro. That nigga just bitched out and sent that shit off the glass, gang.
Brooke, would you agree? I think he would want the entire uniform tied up.
I agree.
Nigga, Draymond can shoot the ball? Nigga, I thought this nigga was just a fucking role player.
Here he goes for 2 makes in the second half.
The veteran has 10
Oh! That's Daddy Curry for ya.